What is going on YouTube? Chuko Films here, back at it again with another YouTube video. I know it's been forever since I posted a video on YouTube, but back at it again. I'm going to be uploading video almost every other day, so definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button and you like this video and you share it to your friends and people that also want to learn how to do, music video editing. So today I have a music video right here. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do, it's called like a reverse effect. So I'm gonna get right into it. So you're gonna find, this is a music video I was already working on. So you're gonna find where you want the reverse to kind of like happen. So I'm gonna go right here. So you have to kind of go where the clip ends. So what I'm gonna do is copy this, and then I'm gonna click paste as connected clip. Let me see, where is that? So you're gonna drag, it's pretty much like the same, it's the same clip. I just kind of like duplicated it. So I'm gonna drag this to the end right here of, the same clip. I'm gonna drag it all the way to the end. And then I'm gonna go right on reverse. That's all you gotta do. You just gotta go on reverse and reverse it. And then that's all you gotta do. It's real simple. It's very, very catchy for music videos. Nothing too crazy, nothing too much. So I just want to appreciate you guys for even clicking this video. If you want to see more tutorials like this, you want to see more videos like this, definitely make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting anything that has to do with music videos, videography, filmmaking, and also maybe some personal lifestyle type of videos. So definitely make sure you subscribe, you like this video, you share it, and definitely comment below of what type of content you guys want to see. I'm definitely back at it again on YouTube, not going nowhere. It's going to be a lot of videos that I'll be posting, and definitely also follow me on Instagram if you also want to see a lot of my work, you want to book me. Definitely follow me on Instagram at Chuko Films. I just want to say thank you guys, and you guys have a blessed day.
I'm protecting myself. I never meant to break your heart, but I barely can handle myself. And I thought that the roller could shine a little harder, so I added some diamonds to help. I had some issue, that shit was eternal, was going to war with myself. We upgrading for fight, better watch what you saying, ain't nothing exciting about that.